Good morning, friends. It's just Miss Schultz this morning. The dinosaurs are coming because their mama has to go to work, so Tadpole's outside going potty, and I was like, ooh, I better quick make my story so that my friends have their story today. So, our word of the day today is chum. A chum has many meanings. One of the meanings, which is not the meaning that we are talking about today, is what they would feed sea animals. They call that chum. It's kind of like the leftovers. But a chum in this sense means a good friend. We don't usually use the word chum so much in the United States. They use it a lot more in England to refer to their friends. So it is a noun because it is a person. And so the sentence they gave me today is Gabe likes to sit next to his chum, Aiden, on the school bus. So think about the times when we could sit by our chums on the school bus or sit by our chums at school on the carpet because school's going to look a lot different next year. All right, so I know we have read this story before, but it is called Elephant and Piggie. Should I share my ice cream? We always know that it's good to share. I'm going to turn the computer a little bit. Ice cream! Get your cold ice cream for a hot day. Oh boy, ice cream! One ice cream, please. Here you go. Oh boy, I love ice cream. Wait, Piggie loves ice cream too. Piggie is my best friend. Should I share my ice cream with her? Should I share my awesome, yummy, sweet, super, great, tasty, nice, cool ice cream? Maybe Piggie does not like this flavor. Sharing a flavor Piggie does not like would be wrong. I will eat the ice cream. Wait, Piggie will like this flavor. It is very yummy. I will share my ice cream. It will not be easy. Hey, Piggie is not here. She does not know I have ice cream. I will eat the ice cream. Where's Piggie? What if she is sad somewhere? I must find her. When I do, I will say, would you like some of my ice cream? Then she will say, thank you. That would cheer me up. Then I will give her my ice cream to share. Yum. Then my best friend will be happy. I will do it. I will share my ice cream. No! No, Piggie cannot have any of my ice cream. No, I cannot have any of my ice cream. I blew it. You look sad. Would you like some of my ice cream? Thank you. That would cheer me up. Yum. That was not my plan. Oh well, this works too. The end. I know it's an oldie but a goodie. We all like Elephant and Piggie, and we should really share. So I will see you all tomorrow. Love and hugs to everybody. Have a great day. I hear it's supposed to rain later this afternoon, so stay dry, stay healthy. Air hugs for everybody.